Any other questions?
Yes, Mr. Foreman.
Yeah.
Hi. I've had my fair share of high-maintenance vehicles. I've heard hybrid cars are not any different. My last car was fix this, change that, need. Nobody has time for that.
I know, you're absolutely right, girl. Hybrids are not high maintenance. So why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you get a hybrid?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Tell me more.
Well, with Toyota Care, there's only one thing I change on my RAV4 hybrid.
What's that?
The air freshener. Midnight honeysuckle. Oh. There you go. Give it a whiff. Right?
Oh, yeah. Air freshener? Man, all you need is some dryer sheets and tape.
Haven't talked to a woman in 3 years.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Questions? We got questions.